Good day, dear learners. Down negative 8, so minus 8. Again, we repeat the process. We divide negative 2x squared by x squared. So we have negative 2 multiplying negative 2 by x squared. So we have negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 4x. So we have positive 8x. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Again, we simply subtract the result by changing the sign. Negative will become positive. Positive will become negative. So as you can see here. Okay, combining similar terms, we can just cancel negative 2x squared plus 2x squared. Okay, 8x and negative 8x. Negative 8 and positive 8. So as you can see, the remainder is 0. Our final answer is simply x minus 2. Okay, consider now the synthetic division. What is synthetic division? Synthetic division is a shorthand or shortcut method of polynomial division. In the special case of dividing by a linear factor. So in this lesson class, I will just show you how to divide polynomial by its linear factor. At next meeting, I will be discussing how to divide using the synthetic division a quadratic factor. Take note of that. Consider the basic parts again of division. We have dividend divided by the divisor, and then we have the quotient. Wherein the general form of b of x over d of x is simply equal to the quotient of x plus the remainder of x. Okay? Now consider the following illustrative example. Number 1. We have here x squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x plus 4. In this particular example class, using the synthetic division, all we need to list here in the given dividend is the numerical coefficient of the given polynomial. For x squared, we have Again, we get the numerical coefficient of all the terms of the given dividend, x squared plus 4x minus 45. So we have 1, 4, and negative 45. Divided by x minus 5. So negative 5 will be positive 5 as the divisor. Let's bring down 1. Multiply by 5. So we have 5. Adding 4 and 5. So we have 9. 9 times 5 is positive 45. Negative 45 plus 45 is 0. So you can see the numerical coefficient of the first term of the quotient is 1. The constant term of the quotient is 9. And the remainder of quotient is simply 0. Therefore, the q of x is just equal to x plus 9. So you can see it's very limited way of finding the quotient of a polynomial by its linear factor. Consider again another example, illustrative example number 3. Quantity 2x squared minus 11x minus 6 divided by x minus 6. Again, we list all the numerical coefficient of the given dividend, 2x squared minus 11x minus 6. So we have 2, negative 11, and negative 6. Divided by the divisor, which is x minus 6. Negative 6 will become positive 6. From here, you just bring down 2, multiply it by 6, so we have 12. Adding negative 11 and 12, so we have 1. 1 times 6 is positive 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. As you can see, the numerical coefficient of the first term of quotient is 2. The constant term of the quotient is 1. The remainder of the quotient is 0. Therefore, our answer is simply 2x plus 1, or the q of x. Consider illustrative example number 4. X cubed plus 12x squared plus 48x plus 64 divided by x plus 4. Again, we list all the numerical coefficient of the given dividend. So we have 1, 12, 48, and 64. Divided by x plus 4. So we have negative 4 as our divisor. Let's bring down 1. Multiply it by negative 4. So we have negative 4. 12 plus negative 4. So we have 8. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. 48 plus negative 32 is positive 16. Times negative 4 is negative 64. 4 plus negative 64 is 0. As you can see, we have the numerical coefficient of the first term of the quotient, which is 1. Then we have the numerical coefficient of the second term of the quotient, which is 8. And then we have the constant term of the quotient, which is 16. And the remainder of the quotient is simply 0. Therefore, our final answer for the q of x is just equal to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Before I will end my discussion class, let me first read to you a simple passage from the Bible, coming from the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9. Be strong and courageous, do not be frightened, and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Take note, class. Skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for my next lesson. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.